So cute. We have extra protein.
Fire starter. I am on my way to Mr. Chai's home. Here will be a new face to this channel. This will be his first time to go backpacking. So I was not planning to go a crazy long hike. Maybe just within 1 mile from the trailhead. Give him an idea about how it feels like to camp outside in the wilderness. Yeah, this will be a fun trip. Hi Mr. Chai, can you open the gate for me? He asked me to go to his apartment to check everything he packed. There is always something up with the first backpacking trip. Yeah. JD's water bladder leaks. It's kind of nasty if you have a water leak throughout your whole backpack. And soaked all your gear, especially the sleeping bag. I know it feels terrible to repack everything. What's this?
One is emergency tent. You see?
Oh. Oh, survival.
Another one is
Look at everything. Looks so professional. I'm so glad you will take the drive. Next time on me. Handsome Mr. Chai. Do you prefer Mr. Chai or Jinda? English?
JD.
JD? Okay. Yeah, I will go to JD. This is your first backpacking trip, so do you have anything you want to say about this trip?
Exciting.
Exciting, okay. Yeah. Feel the weight. Yeah, let's go. We just saw a group of hikers and they told us there is a cub bear in front of this trail. So we need to be ready to encounter a mama bear. So I got my bear spray ready and we are still going, but didn't see any bear right now. Well, the campsite we plan to stay over the night is taken by another hiker. No surprise, it's getting late and this trail is pretty popular. It's getting dark. We are still not found any campsite along the Jacks River Trail. So we decide to hike back to the car and drive around in the forest to see if we can find any good spot to camp. That's pretty small. Yeah, I think I will take this. How do you like yours? And right now we are going to pick up some wood from the other side of the road and get the dinner ready. So I'm going to make a cooking tripod, so I need some long and thin wood. I think we have enough stick to make the cooking tripod. Look at this, it's just stick in my glove. Pretty cute. The nice thing about having a company in the wilderness is that you can let your phone work and yourself just have a rest. Okay. Yeah, JD is working hard and I'm trying to collect some twigs for the fire starter. We have a lot of wood resource here in this campsite. Some campsites you cannot find this much of wood. Look at this. Excellent.
能搞我这玩意儿。
If the wood is completely dry, it shouldn't have too much smoke. The fire looks good, and I'm going making some dinner. And I think JD will go low profile, and he only prepares some instant noodles. And I'm going to make something big. I trying to make a small hot pot. This is all my food stored. Let me see what we got here. A little bit hard to open the beer canister. That's the purpose of beer canister. The human cannot open it. Why this is so hard? Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. For this type of hot pot, you need some milk to thick the broth. I got a huge potato for tomorrow's breakfast. Yeah, this is my new pot. I need to hang that over the fire, so that's the reason I made this cooking tripod. And this bag is my protein. It's sliced the beef, and I combine that with my spicy broth already. So I will boil some water and just pour the whole thing inside. This is like a variation of traditional hot pot. If you don't know what is a Chinese hot pot, you have a boiling broth and you have different raw ingredients, and you just put the ingredient in and cook it. Okay, I just make this little hook and shoot. Carry the weight of my tripod. I got the 2 puffy tofu, and meatball. I got some seafood mushroom, and some veggies. It was crazy. Okay, I see. I saw that.
So cute. We have extra protein.
I think my hot pot is ready.
Oh, 对呀。主要是你家也香，可以偷吃你的。
Imagine eating hot pot in the wilderness.
这不是我们现在在干的事吗？还 imagine 什么
Yeah.
虽然只
Dream
是
come true. Yeah, the meatball is good. Try it.
Yeah.
Good work. Keep going. Nice. 跑在旁边。
我的单人小帐篷，我操，太有安全感了。
See you tomorrow morning, JD. Hey, good morning. It's already 8 a.m. It's already 8 a.m.
我操
That was a good sleep. How about you?
，Me too 啊。
It's a little bit cold in the morning. So we woke up a little bit late than expected. So we kind of choose between making breakfast or do a little bit of hiking. So we decided just eat some energy bar and then hike the Jax River to check some possible campsite and then go back. Yeah, that's the plan, and we are now breaking over tent and be ready to go.
摆拍时刻。然后一会儿。
Okay, we go back to the kind of Soga River Trail, do a small hike along the Jix River. So do you guys see any campsites ahead of us?
There's a bunch along
A bunch
trail.
of, okay. So
and then if you cross, this will eventually lead you to a river crossing where you cross over. There's some nice ones over there, and then you cross over again. There's really nice ones over there.